Guys, so this video is on how to install the 3M arc rail adapters. So as you can see, these are actual 3M arc rail adapters. So I bought them because I really like the feature that they pop in and out. Now to install them in, first you have to take this headband off, this leather piece. Once you do that, you kind of get the angle, these at this kind of angle, and push down on these and they pop up really easily. Do the same on this side and here. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but I thought I would make the video anyway. And got it attached the microphone here, and then the microphone, you gotta install that separately. But you take these and do basically the same thing, and push these like so. And you gotta be kind of careful because these are plastic. As you can see, here's one, and now let's do the R1 the same way. So again, well, I think this piece, no guys, I think I did the wrong way actually, now that I think about it. Nope. Yeah, I did it the wrong way because this one has the spot for the microphone, so I gotta take this off. Sorry about that, because I'm right-handed, so I want to have the microphone on my right side. So once you do that, you just pop in the microphone, and there you go. You have your headset with the arc rail adapters. Now to put it on the helmet, it's pretty easy. You just align these with the helmet rails. It's really difficult to do it on camera, so I'll try it like this. As you can see, just pop in and out like this, and yep. And the cable you would run under the helmet, in my case, because I'm not planning to run a helmet cover. If you would run a helmet cover, then you would put the cable under it. Oop, sorry about that. And all these cables. Okay, so we did the same thing on the other side. Holy shit. There's a lot of it. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so that's in place. Everything seems to be good. And then once you do that, you gotta figure out all the cable management and stuff. But you gotta plug the microphone in. And there it is, how to convert the contact trees from the headset to the arc rail adapters. So hope that was helpful. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.